One, two, three. Fala, galera! Yes! Hoje o vídeo vai ser muito especial, muito divertido, porque a minha amiga Bizzi vai tentar falar algumas coisas em português pra vocês. So, how are you feeling? Good?
I don't know. Yeah.
You don't know? You think you're ready? You see?
I don't know.
Okay, first of all, can you tell me, like, what do you think about Brazil? Like, what comes to your mind when you, like, Brazil?
Very friendly, like partying. Beautiful place. That's
What do you know about Brazil?
not a lot.
Nothing? Like, what is the
Yeah.
capital? You can say whatever comes to your
I don't
mind.
remember.
You know any city in Brazil?
Rio.
Real? What else?
That's it.
Don't say Buenos Aires, please.
That's it.
Ok, that's it. Primeiro, minha amiga Bizzi, ela vai se apresentar para vocês em português. So, now you already introduced yourself in English, so we're gonna try in Portuguese. That's the challenge, okay?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna read first, and then you can just repeat after me. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So, you're gonna say, Oi,
Oi.
meu nome é...
Meu nome é
And your name.
Bizzi.
Oi, meu nome é Bizzi.
Oi, meu nome é Bizzi.
Bizzi. Eu sou dos Estados Unidos.
Eu sou dos Estados Unidos.
Unidos, yeah. And then, eu gosto de comida brasileira.
Eu gosto de comida brasileira.
Yeah. So today we went to a Brazilian restaurant.
Yeah.
It was really good. So did you like it?
Yeah.
What did you like the most? Well, today was not so good. Let's okay, let's
I like the
pretend.
chicken.
Yeah, the chicken was
It
good.
was good.
The chicken was good. Okay.
The chicken was good.
Yeah, so we went to this restaurant that's about to close in the city. Today was the last day, so I was like very excited to bring my friend Bizzi to try one of the Brazilian restaurants that we have here in São Francisco. Hoje eu tô aqui com a minha amiga Lizzie. A gente tá comendo esse sorvete aqui maravilhoso de ube. Can you tell us what is ube?
Oh, it's like a purple yam. It's kind of like sweet. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, I don't know how to explain either.
It's so good though.
É muito bom. Se vocês vierem pra cá, experimentem. O meu sorvete tem um formato de um peixe. É um peixinho, like a fish, right?
Yeah.
What about yours?
It's just in a cup.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Which one do you like better, mine or yours?
Oh.
Yeah, this is peach and ube. Gente, esse roxinho aqui é chamado ube. A gente não tem isso no Brasil. E pêssego é o branquinho aqui, muito gostoso. We don't have ube in Brazil. That's why, like, it's something different.
So good.
So good. Hey, cheers. Saúde.
Saúde.
Saúde. Então, galera, eu preparei algumas palavrinhas aqui que eu vou perguntar pra minha amiga Bizzi e ela vai tentar falar em português. Are you ready?
Oh, let's do it.
So you're gonna try some words and some sentences, and you're gonna try to like guess what
Okay.
that means, okay?
Okay.
So the first one is cachorro.
Cachorro.
Yes, very good. What do you think is cachorro means?
No idea.
No idea.
Cockroach.
Cockroach. I like that one. No, but cachorro is dog.
Oh.
Yeah, cachorro.
Cachorro.
Yeah, you pronounce very good actually. Okay, so the next one is this one, liquidificador.
Liquidificador.
Oh my god, it's so good. Yes, liquidificador. What do you think is it?
I don't know. Liquid is giving drink.
That makes sense.
Some kind of drink.
Well, it's not a drink, but like
Yeah.
liquidificador is the blender. You can make drinks, so it
that
makes sense. Yeah.
Liquidificador.
I like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like the next one is batata frita.
Okay, but batata frita.
Very good. What do you think is batata frita?
It sounds like food.
It is food.
Yeah.
Yeah, frita is like same word in Spanish, so you probably can
okay.
guess.
Yeah, like
You have no idea? It is food, but like
I know it, but I don't know like what it is.
yeah, it's French
Yeah.
fries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
batata frita. This is a difficult one, okay?
Okay.
This is difficult even for me.
Oh no.
Exceção.
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 Very good.
Exceção.
Have an idea like what that could be?
Exceção. Excellent.
Oh, it could be excellent, but no, it's exception. An exception.
Oh,
Exceção. Next, lagartixa.
Lagartixa.
Wow, you're so good.
Lagartixa.
Yeah, I feel like you could speak Portuguese very easily. Yeah. So the next. Oh wait, what is lagartixa?
A gourd.
No, lagartixa is a lizard.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, lizard is it? I think it's lizard, right?
The one that
Yeah.
climbs the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so next, peixe.
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 Remember the ice cream today? It was a peixe.
Oh, fish.
Fish. Yeah, you got that
it's a
one.
fish.
Yeah, good. So now it's kind of a sentence of a song.
Okay.
Meu fechamento é você.
Meu fechamento é você.
Yeah, like we're gonna put this song here. Meu fechamento é você, mozão. Next one. Fala sério.
Fala sério.
Fala sério. Very good. Do you know what that means?
Serious?
Yeah, you got this.
I didn't say that one.
Yeah, you got this. So good. Okay, next. Tá zoando?
Tá zoando?
What do you think tá zoando means?
I don't know. Tá zoando?
It's like, are you kidding?
Oh,
Like you're kidding? Yeah.
Tá zoando.
Tá zoando.
Tá zoando.
Tá zoando, yeah. Okay, we have another one. A Páscoa tá chegando. A Páscoa tá chegando.
A Páscoa tá chegando. A Páscoa tá chegando.
Yeah, a Páscoa tá chegando. Do you have any idea?
No.
This one is very difficult. Like,
Yeah.
the Easter's coming.
Oh.
Yeah, a
Oh,
Páscoa
this
tá
is
chegando.
coming.
Yeah.
That's random.
Yeah, next one. Amanhã é segunda-feira. It's fun, like, cause if you read it
Yeah.
makes like easier for you, cause like
Yeah.
you know, like if you just repeat what you like, amanhã
Yeah.
é segunda-feira. Amanhã
Amanhã
é segunda-feira.
é segunda-feira.
Yeah, let's try all again. Amanhã é segunda-feira.
I don't know why this one's so difficult. Wait till
Yeah,
again.
amanhã
Amanhã
é segunda-feira.
é segunda-feira.
Do you have any idea what that means?
Not at all.
So tomorrow is Monday.
Oh,
Amanhã é tomorrow. Amanhã é
Okay.
segunda-feira. Okay, almost finishing. Eu amo sucrilhos.
Eu amo sucrilhos.
Very good, yeah. So eu amo sucrilhos mean I love cereal. How do you say the one you eat in the morning with milk?
Cereal?
Yeah, cereal. I love cereal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Last one. No, almost last one. Eu amo ir na praia.
Eu amo ir pra praia.
Again, eu amo ir na praia.
Eu amo ir na praia.
Do you have any idea what that means?
Not at all.
Have you heard the word playa? Something similar in Spanish, maybe?
I don't know.
Like playa? Do you know what playa means? No? Okay, eu amo ir na praia.
Espanhol.
Yeah, I know espanhol. Yeah, like I love to go to the beach. Praia in Spanish is playa, so it's similar.
Oh,
But you don't know
playa,
Spanish,
playa,
so it's okay.
playa. That's fine.
And then to finish, the last one, but the most important, se inscrevam no canal.
Se inscrevam no canal.
Se inscrevam no canal.
Se inscrevam no canal.
Very good. Do you know what that means?
Is something channel?
Yeah, subscribe to my channel.
Oh, se inscrevam no
No canal.
No
Yeah.
canal.
Thank you. Guys, like, vocês deveriam se inscrever só pela tentativa. Olha só, ela tentou. Essa é minha amiga Bizzi. Se vocês gostaram desse vídeo, já deixa um joinha. Deixa um comentário aqui embaixo se querem que eu faça mais vídeos como esse. Se inscreve no canal se você ainda não é inscrito. Ativa o sininho das notificações para não perder nenhum vídeo novo. E thank you so much for being here.
It's fine.
Yeah, so today we went to a Brazilian restaurant, then we went to the Japan town, we had ice cream,
Yeah.
and now we're here. Yeah. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Okay, I like it. Let me get some drink, some juice. Do you want some juice?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.